Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Monday, June the 30th. Markets came back once again, came back to close positive in the E-mini S&P up 3.5, 1952. The loss for the week was 0.10%, so almost back to unchanged on a weekly basis. Dow futures were down 5 on Friday, 16,757. That's a 0.5% loss in the Dow that's really been lagging the other indexes, 0.5% for the week anyways. NASDAQ, on the other hand, back to the leadership position, leading the way up 1% on the weekly basis last week, made some new all-time highs, not all-time highs if you count the bubble back in 2000, but post-2000 highs. 38.37 and 3/4 was the high on Friday, closed at 38.31 and a half, up 14 points, a gain of over 1% for the week. The dollar drifting lower, down 19, 80.08, pushing euro currency up, 136.49, up 38. The gain in the euro currency last week seemed like it was more, but it was only 37 points. Bonds dropped 8 points, 136.29. We saw crude oil down 10 cents at 105.75. Very tight range, less than $1 on Friday. 106.20 high, 106.35 low. Trying to figure out where it wants to go. Actually, crude oil lost $1.50 on the week last week. And lastly, gold up $3, 13.20. Gold actually was down $2.50 on the week, but still holding above that 1300 level there. All right, after the action last week, where do things stand on this Monday morning with a shortened holiday week? Well, we're off a little bit, as we've seen many days before. We're starting a little bit lower here in the futures markets. We're down 2.5 points at 1949 in the E-mini S&P. The all-time high is at 1960, up above one handle away. Well, 1.5, two handles anyways. 16,937, down 2 points right now in the Dow is where we stand, and we're down 2 points in the NASDAQ as well at 38.29 and a half. The dollar's pushing that 80 threshold right now at 80.03. It's got the euro currency up a little bit, high that I've seen this morning, 136.66, interesting number. Right now we're at 136.54, up 5. Bonds up 4 points, back off 137 level, 137.01. And we have the crude oil market down 45 cents, continuing to drift lower at 105.20. To finish things off, we've got gold down $6 at 13.14, so not benefiting from that weaker dollar just yet anyway, so keep an eye on that. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we've got a little bit of steady to weakness right now in the stock index futures, down 2.5 in the E-mini S&P and down 20 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here in Chicago at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.